Hey everybody, as you see, I am on 5starbank.com today. So I want to talk about the credit cards uh, offered by this bank. So the 5-star credit card offers a sophisticated rewards program, allowing cardholders to earn points on every purchase. And these points can be redeemed for a variety of luxury items, travel experiences, or even cashback, and providing an added incentive for card usage. And the card has also global acceptance. You can enjoy the convenience of using your 5-star credit card worldwide. And with this global acceptance at numerous establishments, this card ensures that you have financial flexibility and can indulge in your lifestyle choices, whether at home or abroad. And I can say also that the inclusion of dedicated concierge services adds a personalized touch to the cardholder experience, from making reservations at exclusive restaurants to securing tickets for events. And cardholders benefit from a range of travel perks, including travel insurance, airport lounge access, and prefer- preferential treatment at partner hotels. So these features enhance the overall travel experience, providing peace of mind and additional value of frequent travelers. So if you travel so much, you should have this credit card, because as you see, there are many benefits of this card. And also, the 5-star credit card priorities the security of cardholders. It has advanced security features, and these features protect against unauthorized transactions and additional benefits such as purchase protection and extended warranty coverage offer a layer of protection for eligible purchases. So let's see the login page of this credit card. As you see, I am on 5starbank.com, and there is a blue login button here. So I will click it, and as you see, a frame opens on the right side of the page, and the user need to click need to type his login ID and password. And if you don't remember your if you don't remember your password, you need to click forget password button here. And I think it's really easy to use this login frame and this website of the bank. So I really like blue and white pages, and because they gives some a bit reliability, because it's I mean it's it's really reliable color, I think. So I like this website, so and I recommend to have a 5-star bank credit card because of many benefits for cardholders. Thank you so much. See you.